In every gold rush, the people selling the shovels often make the most money. And in the AI boom, that shovel seller is NVIDIA, the company whose chips are powering nearly every major AI breakthrough on the planet. What's up, y'all? It's Anthony Applewhite, and welcome back to Applewhite Intel. Here, we break down AI so it's easy to follow, whether you're brand new or deep into the tech world. Quick reminder too, a lot of y'all watch and forget to subscribe, and it really helps me out. It tells the algorithm that this is content worth sharing. So if you learned something today, hit that subscribe button, like, and share, y'all, okay? Now, let's talk about how NVIDIA went from making gaming graphics cards to becoming the backbone of the entire AI revolution. Let's get into it. NVIDIA started in 1993, founded by Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Priam. Back then, they were laser focused on graphics processing units, or GPUs, for video games, right? For decades, they were the kings of high performance gaming graphics. But what made their GPUs so good for gaming is the massive parallel processing, right? Which would turn out to be something perfect for AI and AI's training models, right? Now, in the early 2010s, researchers realized that they could use NVIDIA GPUs to train deep learning models much faster than traditional CPUs, which are computer processing units, right? Now, NVIDIA didn't just sit back and watch, they jumped in, optimizing their hardware and creating a CUDA, which is a software program that lets developers tap directly into the power of GPUs for AI. That move was genius, okay? It meant NVIDIA wasn't just selling chips, they were building an entire ecosystem for AI development, right? Fast forward to today. NVIDIA's data center business has exploded. Their GPUs power the massive clusters that train models like GPT-5, Claude, Gemini, and LLaMA. The A100 and H100 chips have become the industry standard for AI training and inference, right? In fact, in 2023 and 2024, demand for H100 chips was so high that some companies were paying more than list price just to get their hands on them faster, okay? Let's take a quick break. If you want to go deeper with me daily, I'm launching a private school community. Founding members, or my first 100 people, get in for just $10. Inside, you'll get daily AI news, business playbooks, tool updates, beginner, intermediate, and expert AI courses, books, prompt packs, and more. It's for creators, founders, and learners who want real knowledge without the fluff. Okay? The link will be in the description, so jump in while the founding pricing is live and help me move my school forward. Okay? Moving on. Now, here's why NVIDIA is like the shovel seller in a gold rush, okay? No matter who wins the AI model wars, they still need NVIDIA's hardware to build and run their entire systems. OpenAI, Google DeepMind, Anthropic, Meta, XAI, they're all customers. And that means NVIDIA profits from the growth of the entire industry and not just one player. Investors have taken notice. In 2023, NVIDIA briefly became a $1 trillion company. Their stock price has soared as demand for AI hardware keeps on climbing. And unlike some hype-driven companies, NVIDIA is posting real revenue and profit growth fueled by AI adoption, right? NVIDIA isn't slowing down, y'all. They're developing next generation GPUs like B100 and is expanding into AI software and services, including their own AI powered platforms for industries like healthcare, robotics, and autonomous vehicles. So they're not just supplying the tools, They're helping define what AI can do in the real world. All right. Thanks for tuning in to Applewhite Intel. If you enjoyed this deep dive into NVIDIA's role in the AI boom, hit that subscribe button, like, and share this one with, one friend who needs to understand the business side of AI. And here's my question for you. If you had NVIDIA's computing power for one day, what AI project would you build? Okay? Drop that in the comments. I'll read everyone. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.